Hi everyone, welcome back to Education with Eleanor, and now we're doing part 2 of the right hand grip rule to figure out the direction of a magnetic field around a current conducting wire. This time around though, we're being told the direction of the magnetic field and we're going to figure out the direction of the conventional current. Alright, let's get into it. These questions that we're now going to do, we're being given the direction of the magnetic field and we're being asked what the conventional current is. So here, which direction is the current given the direction of the magnetic field at point D? Alright, let's do the first one. So here, first of all, we're not going to worry about what the thumb is doing yet. We're going to use our fingers because our fingers in the right hand grip rule tell us the direction of the magnetic field. Now in this case, the magnetic field on the left here is going into the page. So first of all, we need to get our fingers and make them go into the page and curl this way. And remember, our thumb is just going to stick out like this. So as we can see here, our conventional current is going to go south or down the page. So I'll draw in our little compass so we don't forget. We've got north, south, east and west. So our current is going to go towards the south or down the page. If the question doesn't give us a compass to refer to, then saying something like down the page is fine. Let's look at question B. So once again, we're using our right hand and I'm going to get my fingers out. So at point D, the current is coming out of the page because it's a dot. So first of all, we're going to curl our fingers towards us because it's coming out of the page. And remember, our thumb is sticking out and we're going to align our thumb in the same direction as the current conducting wire, and it's going towards the northeast. Oops, I've just knocked my table and that's why there was a bit of a shudder. Apologies. So the current is going in the northeast. I'm not going to calculate an angle, there's no need for this particular question. It's just more trying to find out the direction of the current. Conventional current, I should say. Alright, now we're looking at point D, okay, and that dot represents the conventional current. So ignore that at the moment, but point D is going north. So I'm going to get my fingers like this, and they're going to wrap upwards and around, okay? So if we think about that, it wraps upwards and around. You can see that as where my thumb is, as I wrap upwards and around, the thumb is coming towards you. So it's going out of the page. So if it's going out of the page, the current will be a dot with a circle around it. Next question, part D. So in part D, our magnetic field is going towards the right, and D, that point, the dot there, is showing where the current is. So don't worry about that yet. We're just going to do the magnetic field, which is at D, it's going towards the right. So I'm going to stick my thumb out first, and then I'm going to get my fingers, and they're going to rotate towards the right. And if you have a look, my thumb is actually going in towards the page when my fingers are wrapping towards the right. So if it's going in towards the page, we will draw a cross with the circle around it to show that the conventional current is going in towards the page. Alright, I hope you liked this part 2 of figuring out the direction of a magnetic field in a current conducting wire, and in this case figuring out the conventional current when you already know the magnetic field's direction. If you liked this content, press subscribe and hit the thumbs up button so you get more videos on physics, mathematics and science. Catch you for part 3. Bye!